Hi friends, so today we are going to see about plane mirror and reflection. In the last topic we saw what are the types of mirrors we have, why do we need those shapes of mirrors, correct? To define image, to define so many types of images, we need different shapes of mirrors, okay? But in this video we are going to study very briefly about plane mirrors and its characteristics. I already taught you in this above video, the before video, what are the characteristics. The image will be virtual. The image is virtual and it will also upright. The second thing, object distance will be equal to image distance. And the third one, object size will be equal to image size, correct? Why we say all these three things? Because a plane mirror is a mirror which produces a perfect image, okay? So it will not be an enlarged image or it will not be a shorter image, but the image will be laterally inverted. It will be what? Laterally inverted, okay? So these are the main properties and characteristics, and we are going to study with the help of a ray diagram, okay? Can you see this diagram very clearly? I will show you. The boy is standing here, correct? The boy is standing here. So can you see this? The leg part, okay? His first is entering into his eyes, and the next the hand, and also the next the head. When I just extend this line, you can see the image of a boy, okay? Whenever we stand in front of a plane mirror, we can observe that we are inside the mirror, okay? Likewise our brain imagines like that only. So because we will be always inside the mirror, likewise only we imagine, correct? So likewise the image will be, when we extend all these lines, we can get a image, okay, of a boy, okay? The first thing I told you, the image will be always upright, okay? The object and the image will be in the same size. The image is virtual, okay? Can you see this? The image is laterally inverted, okay? Whenever you stand in front of a mirror, you can see that our right hand will look as a left hand and the left hand will look as a right hand. Why, sir? No? Because virtual images will form when light what? It will diverges. When light diverges, virtual images are formed. When light is diverged, virtual images are formed, okay? Understood? And also you can see that by using the position of rays, you can also draw the light rays. Can you see this? All these light rays we have also drawn in this. All these are parallel light rays. And also if you see this diagram also, you will get a clear image. Can you see this? A ray of light OA from the boy, because it obeys what? Law of reflection. Plane mirror obeys what? Law of reflection. So that's why we can see an incident ray and a reflected ray back to the eye, okay? So these are the main properties of a plane mirror, okay? Using this diagram also we can imagine. Can you see this? I will show you. So listen, this is an object, okay? This is a plane mirror. Is kept, okay? We already know the image will be formed here. If I take a parallel light here, okay, if I take a parallel light, okay, first it will reflect, correct or not? Reflect. When I just extend this line, you can get an image here. Likewise, a straight line I am going to take, so it will automatically will reflect. If I extend this line, we can get an image. And the third thing, I'm going to draw a line like this, okay? I will get a reflected light like this also. If I extend this light, I can get the image. Correct? So virtual images are formed when the light is getting diverged, when the light is getting reflected back, or when the light is getting diverged. The main thing is when the light is getting diverged, virtual images are produced. Okay, so can you see this properties of images formed by a plane mirror? The image obtained is virtual. The images is laterally inverted. The images will be erect. The size of the image is equal to the size of the object, and the distance between the image obtained from the mirror is the same distance between the object from the mirror. Okay, so these are the main things. In next video we will see about what are real and what are virtual images in brief. Okay, until then, thank you, bye bye.